Hey guys, it's Nevin with Disc. I want to wish you a super happy new year, brand new decade. 2020 is upon us. I just want to show you guys a few different things that we've had in the past, stuff that we haven't promoted much lately, and a couple new things here. Of course, you're used to seeing us as Disket, and here we're showing you the Palm Tree Disket Grill. But kind of the purpose of this video is to show you more about the Double D product line. Here I'm showing you a couple different Double Ds. The first one on the floor here is actually in its storage or transport position. For those of you who don't know, the Double D actually has folding legs, so you can tuck the whole unit up inside itself and take a lot less storage space when you're carrying it, tailgating, camping, hunting, etc. Now, like the regular Disket, the Double D is fully customizable. So as you can see here, you've got pottery and cocoa pellies and geckos. You can put whatever designs you want incorporated into the Double D. Of course, you get custom handles as well. The Double Ds do come with the big flat skillet and the cooking disc along with the wind rings. Again, the folding Double D is probably one of our most popular designs because it does fold up. Looking over here to the right here, this is what we haven't shown too much of. This is our fixed leg Double D. It's sold more for those of you that are doing catering or people that don't intend on taking it anywhere. Here we're going to show you some optional accessories. These are folding side tables. These kind of lock in place when you pull them up, and they'll hold quite a bit of weight for food or raw vegetables or whatever you're going to serve into there. They fold back down for storage as well. This one is also fully customizable like the folding Double D Disket. So whatever you want incorporated into it, we can do that. So here we're showing our custom line of fire pits. Of course, these are also fully customizable like the Disket and Double D. This one's showing the pottery legs and of course the customer's name and other stuff cut in the top. So however you want this build as well, we'll custom make the fire pits, and those you can get on our website as well. Upcoming next year, we're going to show you guys our Sidewinder Grills product line. This is a product line that we've been making for a few years now, and this one here is our Cobra series vertical cabinet smoker, which is a pellet feed model and also runs on as a stick burner as well. We also have the Rattler series, the Viper series, and we do other custom stick burning and charcoal burning smokers, whatever basically you want to put in your backyard. Again, I'm bringing all this to you from our website at www.disc-it.com, where you can order any custom product. And again, all this stuff is fully customizable and financeable. So just want to bring us into your backyard this summer. Cooking outdoors has never been better. Disc it.